Alan, how about over there at Alteryx in regards to a specific project, a specific effort that you've been involved in to help further an agency mission?
Yeah, so I will say this is a hard question. It's like picking your favorite child, right? So many phenomenal use cases that we see across really almost all the agencies. But one that comes to mind, as hurricane season approaches, I think back to just a really great use case with FEMA and Homeland Security, where after Maria and Irma hit, there were well over 100,000 structures that were damaged. And the historic process is, engineers have to assess those structures, figure out the level of damage to those structures to figure out how to rebuild. And, obviously the faster that gets done, the faster recovery can begin and life can get back to normal. But when you have 100,000 structures spread across a couple Caribbean islands, this is quite a task. Using a traditional process of going and assessing each one with engineers and spending hours at every structure, this could have been a decade to assess all of these structures. And so armed with Alteryx and laptop computers, data from dozen sources, from satellite weather data to information about tides and flooding, the team was able to create models on the fly, basically. Take sample data, create models, and assess structural damage of these structures to quickly be able to assess which ones were under the threshold of a 50% damage, which ones were over, which ones actually needed the assessment by humans, speeding the recovery just dramatic amounts. And when I look at the impact that had on the lives of all of those people, to be able to get back onto the road to recovery, it's just a massive impact. And then the spillover, now having a process that you can respond to future disasters and do it efficiently. I think of examples like that. And again, I'm seeing these sorts of examples all over the place, but what a great use of technology, a great use of data to really impact people's life. And, again, that's what makes us really excited at Alteryx, is to be able to enable people to do things exactly like that.
And